So today I'm going to show you how you can get an internet browser on your Nintendo Switch. But the way that we can do this is we need to head over to our settings. Once we open up settings, you want to scroll down to internet, you want to select internet settings, and then we now need to go ahead to the next step. So the next step, once it has searched, you simply want to click on your Wi-Fi. You want to click on change settings, and then from here we need to scroll down to DNS settings, and then we want to turn this to manual. Now once we turn this to manual, you want to go to primary DNS, and you want to enter in the DNS exactly as it is here on my Nintendo Switch. So it's 045.055.142.122. Now, if you enter this in, what you can then do is you can click on OK. Now, what this will do once we select save, and then you go to connect to this network, it will then fail to connect to your network. And then once we select next, this will then allow us to go to a browser. And then as you can see, once you launch into the menu, there is now an option for go to Google. Click on this. This will then take us over to Google, and then you will then be able to use this Google browser as you would normally on any other device, so a computer or a mobile device. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can access the internet on your Nintendo Switch. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.